Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, which class is this?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. This is your SST class, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to
Good morning,
all
ma'am.
of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bachche. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have a board at my house.
Board? What board? Whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So you do something on that?
Yes, ma'am. I study and learn things.
You study. Very good. You use that board.
SST class.
Yes.
It is upper on my laptop.
Okay. Very nice. All right. So children, all of you take out your SST copies.
Ma'am, tomorrow we were doing difficult words of chapter 2.
Yesterday. Day before yesterday, we were doing difficult words.
We have done only one calendar.
Yes, we have done only one word. Now today we are going to do 15 more words.
First was calendar.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
nice. Yes,
second was
okay, now wait children. Before we start with our this thing, difficult words, let me take your attendance. Which period is this? This is fifth period. Okay. All right, just wait. This is fifth period.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Fourth C. Okay, everybody please call out your names one by one. I'll write them.
Ma'am, Akshudha Tiwari.
Okay, starting from Akshudha Tiwari. Next,
Varshita.
Varshita.
Mokshit Mishra. Present.
See children, like this, I will not be able to write. Just wait. One by one, everyone's turn will come. Till now, be quiet. Till now, I have written 3 names, Akshada, Varishta and Mokshit. Next, Arav Goel, Akhya Goel, Arav Gupta, Kanav Mittal,
Ma'am, Parmeet Singh.
Jasmeena,
Yuvraj Gupta.
Yuvraj Gupta, Jashmit,
Ma'am, Parmeet Singh.
Raina Agarwal.
Yes,
Ma'am, Palvini.
yes,
Parmeet Singh,
Yasmit
Palvini
Mishra.
Ahuja. Yashmit Mishra I have written.
Ma'am, Raina Agarwal.
Samar Pratap Singh, Raina Agarwal.
Ma'am, someone
Haan Yadav.
Samarth Singh and then Rasya Agarwal. Next, Akhya Goel I have written. Arhan Yadav. Next,
Shobhit Gupta, ma'am.
Shobhit Gupta.
Ma'am, Naman.
Naman Khandelwal.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Kanav I have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Harveen Kaur I have not written. Harveen, why are you not calling out your name? Done. So let me just check how many students. There are 29 students here and I have got just 22 names. Ashray Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta, see, if you call out your name and I call your name, I call back your name. That means then only I have written your name. Okay, if I haven't called out your name, please, you can repeat your name. Kunal.
Ma'am, we are giving attendance.
Yes, you are giving attendance. Then Palvini Ahuja also. Acha, Palvini I have written. Naisha Roy.
Ma'am, Yatharth Singh.
Yatharth Singh I have written.
Ma'am, Atharv Gupta.
Atharv Gupta. Okay, beta, wait. I'll write Atharv Gupta. I have not written. Everybody, please open your cameras. I want to see all your faces. Yuvraj Gupta, Jaskaran, Jasrina Parmeet, Shaurya Tyagi, Harveen Kaur. All of you open your cameras. Otherwise, I'll cut your names from the attendance list. Yes.
Ma'am, what is after calendar?
First, I want to see everyone's face. Shaurya, Parmeet, Jasrina, Palvini, Kanav, Jaskaran, Kunal
Ma'am, can
Patel.
Camera after 2 minutes.
Okay, Jasrina.
Ma'am, please share the screen of difficult words.
Share the screen. No, I will not share any screen. I will.
Ma'am, I can guess
I
what
will
will be the second.
I will speak.
Ma'am, I can guess what will be the second difficult word.
Yes, just make a guess. Tell what you've
It
guessed.
will leap year. Leap year.
No, no, no. Wrong guess. Wrong guess.
Ma'am, geography. Gregorian.
No, no, no. Wrong guess. Not geography. Not geography.
Christian.
It's Gregorian.
Christian.
Okay, everybody. Now, please, those who did not do the work on, those who were not present or by any chance you did not do the work on 20th of April, today, please write down chapter name, chapter 2, then its name, and put the heading difficult words. Put the heading difficult words. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll tell you.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, what is the first word? Everybody has written the name of the
Calendar.
difficult
Calendar.
and the first word calendar. Write down the first word calendar.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write it only one time. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, we have to write it only one time.
Yes, just write it one time. The first word is calendar. Now the second word is Gregorian. Gregorian. Gregorian.
Ma'am, these are difficult words.
Yes, beta, these are difficult words. Every time when we'll start any new chapter in social studies, we are going to start it by writing the difficult
Excuse me,
words
ma'am.
from that chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes, Palvini.
ma'am, please tell Gregorian spelling.
Gregorian. Gregorian.
Ma'am, please tell third one. Ma'am, this is spelling Gregorian.
Wait, beta, wait. I will. If there is any confusion, I'll write in the chat box. Just wait. The first word was. Beta, wait. Calendar, and the second is Gregorian. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, the third word is commonly.
Yes, ma'am.
Commonly.
The ma'am, fourth word will be solar.
No.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling.
What are the spellings of common?
COMMON. COMMON.
And
MONLY.
commonly?
COMMON.
And what is the spelling of commonly?
COMMONLY.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can you dictate the word second?
Dictate
What is the second word?
Gregorian. You want to know the pronunciation or you want me to spell it out?
Spell it out, ma'am.
Gregorian. Gregorian.
Gregorian.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is after commonly?
After commonly, it is either.
Either.
EI.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of commonly?
Beta, what are the
Yes,
spellings
yes,
of
yes.
common? Tell me what is the spelling of common?
Ma'am, COMMON.
Okay, and then commonly.
Ma'am, which is fourth one?
COMMONLY.
Yes, very nice. That's
Ma'am,
the
what
correct
is our
spelling.
fourth one?
The fourth one is either. Either.
Ma'am, please send on chat box.
Then spelling is EITHER.
Very good, Yashmit. Very nice.
EITHER.
Yes, either.
Either.
People call it either also and either also. Either and either.
And we will write Western also.
Additional. Spelling.
What, Akhya?
And the fifth word is additional.
The fifth word is additional. No, the fifth word is Christian. Christian.
What is the spelling of
Western will be not in. Western will be not there.
Christian. Christian.
CHRIST?
The religion. I'm talking about the religion Christian. Christianity.
Ma'am, the spelling is ma'am.
Yes.
The spelling is CRISHTHIN.
No.
CHRISTIAN.
Everybody be quiet now. All of you be quiet. I have written the spellings in the chat box. Beta, check the spelling in the chat box. Now here in these kind of classes, you have to treat the chat box like the blackboard. Like how you treat blackboard in your school, the chat box is the blackboard here. All of you have seen the spelling?
Yes,
Abhi nahi. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the sixth word is revolution. Revolution.
Ma'am, I know this. Ma'am, I know this spelling.
Ma'am, I also.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the sixth one?
The sixth word is revolution. Now all of you check all the words from the chat box. Till then I'll just go and drink water. Okay? Give me 1 minute. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile, check all your words. Cross check all the words.
Correct.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Then the
Yes,
seventh
ma'am.
word is irregular. Regular.
Ma'am, what?
Irregular. 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 Irregular.
Irregular, ma'am.
And we will not write.
Irregular.
And we will not write.
Irregular. Why can I hear my sound again? My voice? Huh?
Ma'am, I am.
No, I have written I-R-R-R G-U-L-A-R.
I-R-R-R. 3 times R.
Ma'am.
Yes, 3 times.
Ma'am, can I tell us the spelling?
Yes, beta, tell.
I-R-R-E-G-U-L-A-R.
Very good. Only 2 times R. So the 7th word is irregular. Let me type it in the chat box. And when I type in the chat box, then no one is supposed to do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, please say word.
Okay, the
Ma'am,
8th word. Now the 8th word is Chaitru. Chaitru.
Chat is the first month of the Saka calendar.
Yes, Chaitra. Hindi name. Chaitra. Chaitra.
Saka calendar is used to find Hindi dates and religious festivals.
In the month of March, the date is
31st March or 22 March.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, 21 or 22 March. Ma'am,
Then the next month, sorry, the next word is, the 9th word is independence.
Right,
9th
Saka.
word, independence.
Independence. Ma'am, I am written.
Ma'am, I have written. Written, okay? Not written, written.
I have written.
Ma'am, I have also written. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the 8th word?
8th word is Chaitra. Chaitra. Chaitra.
And what is the 10th word?
The 10th word, 10th? You don't want to know the 9th. The 9th word is independence.
And we have read written.
Okay.
Written.
Now the 10th word comes is completion. 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 Completion.
And
All
what
of you
is the
written?
spelling?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Then the 11th word is,
Ma'am, please wait.
11th word.
And timeline.
Timeline, so you've already written the chapter name and it is not difficult. Is it? Timeline is a difficult word?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. T-I-M-E-L-I-N-E-S. No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, the next word is extremely.
Terminal.
Extremely.
And where it is written.
Ma'am, I have written.
I have, beta, I have sent in the chat box. Now see students, you start, listen. Beta, whenever I am using the chat box, nobody will use it in between. Okay. Now see, between my words, we have your messages. So it becomes very confusing. So nobody is going to type in the chat box while I'm using it.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. All of you have written all these 11 words?
Yes, ma'am. Let's proceed.
Ma'am, the next word. Ma'am,
The
the next
next-
difficult word is anno.
Oh yes, how do you know? Who said it's Anno Domini?
Yashmit.
Ma'am, I Yashmit.
Yashmit, how do you know, beta?
Ma'am, because I was looking in the book.
Okay, very nice.
And I have also read the chapter before.
Yes, very good. Now you will also make a guess. All of you make a guess. What is the next word? Let me see.
Before
who's...
Christ.
No.
Before Christ.
No, no, no. But it is very, very close to Christ. Not before
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
It's Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, because the closest was Jesus Christ, because when the timeline start from the birth of Jesus Christ.
Yes,
No.
very good. Good guess. You're reading
But
from the
it-
book?
No, it is not
Yes,
start
ma'am.
from the birth of Jesus Christ, but
Ma'am, please
a
I
little time before. A little time before.
The 13th word is Jesus Christ. Okay, what is the 14th word? Any guesses?
Ma'am, the 14th word will be common era. Common era.
Common era.
Common era.
No.
I'm historian.
Before
No.
before common era. Before
Okay.
common era.
The 14th word is a name of a continent. Any guess?
Latin.
Common
Europe.
Europe. Yes.
Europe.
The 14th word is Europe.
Europe.
Yes, beta. Europe.
Ma'am, the next word will be before
have
common era.
It can be
Beta, okay, tell me common. We have already written commonly. Okay, so we are not going to repeat it. And before, do you think the spelling of before is difficult for class 4 students?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
we will
ma'am.
not write before, we will not write common. Now, do you think era is a difficult word to learn?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not at all.
No, ma'am. Latin.
No,
Ma'am,
Latin.
the 15 one is E-double-R-A. Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
The 15 one is element.
Very nice. How do you know, Rasya?
Ma'am, I also said element.
Very good. Element is the correct guess. Very nice.
The element.
Yes, element.
Element.
Ma'am, can I post it on the group?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I post it on the group?
No. We are still left with one word.
Ma'am, 16.
Yes, 16th word is chronological.
Chronological. CHRONOLOGICAL. Ma'am, please tell again.
Ma'am, what is the 15th word? Please tell the spelling also.
The 15th word is elements.
Ma'am, please send on
Elements.
Ma'am, please tell 61 word.
And the 16th word is chronological.
CHRONOLOGICAL. Ma'am, there is chrono, ma'am. This is Free Fire character. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, beta. What, Jaskaran?
Ma'am, in this word, ma'am, the chrono is Free Fire character. Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't understand. In this word, what?
Ma'am, there is chrono.
How many people want to speak at a time? Just tell me this thing. Jaskaran, you speak, beta. Rest, everybody be quiet.
Ma'am, in this word there is chrono. Ma'am, the chrono is there is one game Free Fire. Chrono is character of Free Fire. Ma'am, there is also
Oh,
written chrono. And ma'am,
okay, very nice.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Ma'am, please
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Very good. Very nice. 14th word was Europe.
Europe. Ma'am, can I send the work?
No, not now. Now listen, all of you. The class gets over at 11:20. We have 10 minutes, right?
Yes,
Approximate 10 minutes. So what we are going to do is, everybody close your copies now.
Ma'am, close.
Closed. I'll call out your name and that student will tell me the spellings of any word I ask. Fine, ready for this quiz?
Yes,
Spell B. Just a minute, just a
Ma'am, of chapter 1 or chapter 2?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, of chapter 1 or chapter 2?
Okay, the first word and the first student is Akhya Goyal. You will tell us the spelling of elements.
ELEMENTS.
Very nice, wonderful. Then next, with student Jasrina. Jasrina, tell us the spelling of Europe. Europe.
EUROPE.
Very nice, wonderful. Next, who will tell us the spelling of Samarth Singh? What is the spelling of extremely?
EXTREMELY.
EXTREMELY. Very nice. Mokshit Mishra. What
Yes,
is the spelling of Jesus Christ?
JESUSCHRIST. Christ. Jesus Christ.
Very good, beta. Very nice. Now, Bhavya Rastogi will tell us the spelling of completion.
COMCOM
No,
completion.
no. No, beta. Not correct. Anybody else who will tell us the spelling of completion? Yashmit Mishra.
COMPLITION.
No. It's not Li. What is the correct spelling?
Ma'am, can I tell?
LETION.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, COMPLETION.
COMPLETION. Yes. Now next, Akshada Tiwari. Tell us the spelling of Anno Domini.
ANNODOMINI.
Very nice. Very good. Anno Domini. Okay, Shobit Gupta. Are you there, Shobit
Yes.
Gupta? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us the spelling of calendar.
CALENDER.
CALEN.
DER.
No, it's not DER. What is it?
Ma'am, DER.
Beta, even I have written in the chat box, the spellings are wrong.
Ma'am,
DAR.
correct spelling is CALANDAR.
Yes, it's calendar. DAR. CALENDAR. All of you make this correction, beta. I have written wrong.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have written calendar. Is
I have
Yes,
correct spelling.
very nice. Now let me make this correction. Just wait, all of you.
Ma'am, can I highlight the words with a highlighter?
Yes,
The
beta, we all will
difficult
do
words?
that work now. Just wait, let me just finish off with this spelling thing. Spell bee competition. Okay, the next word, who is going to tell me the spelling of, Ashray Agarwal will tell me the spelling of Gregorian.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell beta.
The spelling of Gregorian is GREORIGAN.
Yes, yes.
Rigan.
Very nice. GREGORIAN. This is what you said?
The spelling of chatra. Ma'am, can I tell the spelling of chatra?
Beta, you already got your turn, no? Just Karan, you tell us the spelling of Chatra.
Ma'am, please tell the word again. I can't listen.
Chatra. Chatra. The word is Chatra. The 8th word that I dictated, Chatra.
Chatra. CHAI.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No.
CHAITRA.
Very nice. Very good. Chatra. Now, children, please, all of you wait for a minute. Let me send the link in my next. Okay, next class is again yours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have English creative now, the next period?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's
Yes,
again
ma'am.
my class.
Ma'am,
Just
can
wait.
can we highlight them? The highlighter.
Yes. Meanwhile, children, now do one thing. Just do the beautification of this work. Underlining, highlighting and everything. The numbering and all.
Already.
Okay, ma'am.
So next period is of Rashmi ma'am's period.
Beta, has she sent the link? Has she shared the link?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Beta-
please see my word.
Just wait, beta. Because it's my class. One time I am supposed to take and one time she is supposed to take English creative.
Ma'am, please see my.
Shaurya Tyagi, very good. Very nice. Children, please, for one thing, make correction in your rectify the spellings of calendar. Okay? Please write DAR instead of DER. Anybody wants to say anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Who? Yes, say Raina.
Ma'am, we join again this meeting.
Yes, because this meeting will end in 40 minutes, beta. So you will have to join again. Okay, now, Raina Agarwal, tell me the spelling of independence.
Ma'am, independence.
Yes.
Ma'am, INDEPENDENCE.
Very good. Very nice. Independence. Akshada Tiwari, tell the spelling of Akshada. You've got your turn, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Not Akshada. Samar Pratap.
No, ma'am. Tell us, Rasya.
Samar, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Tell the spelling of irregular.
Irregular.
Yes.
Irregular.
Samar, irregular. Irregular.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I?
Ojasvi Shukla. You will tell us the
Ma'am,
spelling of irregular.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
I double R.
Hmm.
I double R. E
Very good.
G
Yes.
U
Yes.
L
Yes.
A R.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. Now, who will tell? Let me see on the screen. Kunal Patel. Kunal Patel, open your camera. Kunal has opened his camera. I can't see his face. Where is he? So many students, my God. Very good, Yashmit Mishra. Good work. Where is Kunal Patel? He's left the meeting. Okay, Panchul Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera, beta. Tell me the spelling of either.
Ma'am, EITH.
Yes. Very good.
ER.
Okay, very nice. Then now next student Rasya Agarwal. Rasya, you will tell me the spelling of Christian. Christian. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Meeting, ma'am. Which?
Christian. Christian.
No.
What is the spelling of Christian?
CHRISTIAN.
Very nice. Very good. Wonderful. So here we come to the end of today's work. I have asked you all the words, or is any word left?
Ma'am, one word is left.
Oh, yes.
Revolution.
Revolution is left. Okay, Naisha Roy will tell us the spelling of revolution.
Ma'am, and chronological.
Ma'am, and irregular is also left. Irregular.
Naisha Roy,
Ma'am, irregular is also
what is the
left.
spelling of irregular? No. Which word was
Ma'am,
left? Okay.
Chronological.
Naisha Roy, tell us the spelling of chronological.
Ma'am, may I tell ma'am?
Be quiet.
Chronological. Ma'am, may I tell the spelling of chronological?
But she's telling na. Okay. Naisha is not telling this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. You're telling?
O.
But Naisha, don't look into your copy, beta. Try to speak it on your own.
You're looking into my copy. I'm just writing down on there.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What is the spelling? Hari?
Ma'am, CHRO.
Yes. Yes.
LO.
Yeah.
Chronolog. G.
Yes.
I.
Very good.
AL.
Very nice. Chronological. Okay, children. Now we've covered all the words. So let's end the class.